Hello, all my fairy friends. My name is Fairy Belle, and I'm a book fairy. And today we're reading a story called Nature Ninja Saves the Natural World. Hiya, I'm Nature Ninja. Ever since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, I have heard the call of nature. I am worm-loving, tree-hugging, puddle-jumping, kid ninja, and I love playing outside in my backyard. I especially like looking for grasshoppers. But those grasshoppers will have to wait because I'm on a mission to save the natural world. My best friends, Stick the Stick and Boobok the Owl, are coming along to help. We must all give a hoot about the earth, says Boobok. A little birdie once told me that people are chopping down the Amazon rainforest. The climate emergency is heating up, and the oceans are being treated like a dumping ground. If I want to save the natural world, it's time to get moving. Come on, Stick, let's hop to it. We have a planet to protect. But wait, I don't live anywhere near the Amazon rainforest. I'm actually not even allowed out of my backyard by myself, and I'm only one little ninja. Galactic grasshoppers! Boobok, you are a wise owl. How can someone as little as me really make a difference? From tiny seeds grow mighty trees, says Boobok. That means that even small actions can make a big impact. I get it. I'll start by saving the natural world in my own backyard. I'll plant a forest full of trees. Dig, dig, dig. Plant, plant, plant. Wait. Nothing's happening. I'll never save the natural world if it's going to take this long. I may need a new plan for saving the planet. Be patient, Ninja. You can't always see when growth is happening, says Boobok. Sometimes it happens on the inside first. Even little ninjas are always growing and changing. Let's sit a while, friends. If we listen deeply, nature will be our guide. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Look, there's a blue-banded bee in my backyard. Buzz. Wait, come back, bee. Gardening grasshoppers. My backyard has beautiful flowers, Boobok. Why did the bee visit and then quickly fly away? Home is where the habitat is, Boobok answers. That means that the bees also need a safe place to live and lay their eggs. I know what to do. I'll make a bee hotel. Blue-banded bees love to make their nests in mud bricks. They like living next door to their blue-banded buzzy bee friends. I like living next door to my best friends, and lucky for those bees, I love mud too. Mix, mix, mix. Pack, pack, pack. Poke, poke, poke. Look, Stick, it's a real bee hotel. Now I'm definitely on my way to saving the natural world. The bees will be back for sure. Wait. Nothing's happening. Let's sit for a while, Stick, and wait patiently for the bees. We can be on the lookout for grasshoppers too. Snip, snip, snip. Spray, spray, spray. Roar, roar, roar. Oh no! Someone's chopping my backyard. My parents are clearing space for a work shed. If they do that, all the flowers and trees will be gone and the bees will never come to stay. Your voice matters and your actions inspire others, says Bobook. That means that you can show others how they can help save the natural world too. Wait, please. Plant more trees. Help the bees. Let flowers grow free. Look, Ninja, your parents get it, says Bobook. They put the chainsaw and chemicals away and have left some space for a wilder place. Soon I noticed something really cool happening in the wild corner of my backyard. Groovy grasshoppers! My backyard forest is growing. My bee hotel is filled with bees. And look, Stick, I found a grasshopper. Small steps in the right direction will lead to big changes, says Bobook. I know what that means. Little ninjas can save the natural world by taking one small green step at a time in our own backyards. And that's the end of the story. But there's something very special in the back of the book. It's called the Nature Ninja Pledge. Do you think you could say it after me? Okay, let's go. I am a nature ninja, and I'm on a mission to help make the world a greener place for all. I know that my voice matters and that my actions can make a difference. I promise to be a good friend to nature and help it to be healthy. I will stick up for nature and show others how they can care for our planet too. I acknowledge and pay respect to the First Nations people of the land on which I live, learn, play, and explore. Together, we will walk gently on this land and take care of it for all who live here now and in the future. I am a nature ninja, and I make my difference by taking one small green step at a time to care for nature where I live. You can be a nature ninja too. Well done! Now we're all nature ninjas. That's very exciting. Thank you very much for listening to this story. And thank you very much for believing in me. And never forget that I believe in you too.